Hello, my name is Abdul Mati Asiri and I would like to welcome you in another Boeing 737 video tutorial. This video is about just like an information that is good to know. It's not critical, but it might help you feel good about your landings sometimes. So let me ask you this question. Let's say that you are landing on the same runway, exactly the same conditions, and the way that you are executing the flare and the touchdown is exactly the same. But in the first case, we have the crosswind coming from the right, and in the second landing, we have a crosswind coming from the left. And my question to you, does the direction of the crosswind affect how smooth the landing is? And now provided that you are not doing a touchdown in a crab. We are talking about you decrab and you transition into a small or a slight side slip just before touchdown. So when you have the wind coming from the right, the main right landing gear is going to touch down first and do the strut compression. And for the second case where the wind is coming from the left main landing gear is going to touch down first before the right. So is there a difference? Think about it. And the answer is yes. If the wind is coming from the right, then most probably you'll end up with a firmer landing. And the reason for that is there is a mechanical linkage between the right main landing gear strut and the ground spoilers. And as soon as there is a compression in the right main landing gear, the ground spoilers are going to deploy immediately. And once they deploy, as you know, all the lift is going to be killed on the wings. So the airplane is going just to transfer all the weight immediately to the runway. So it might be a little bit firm. The other scenario where the wind is coming from the wind is coming from the left, okay? So you are going to approach with the crab and then you do a slight decrab before touchdown, and that will end up in the left main landing gear, do the compression before the right. And what will happen is the flight spoilers are going to deploy, but the ground spoilers will not deploy until there is a slight delay. It's either until you have the compression on the right main, I believe that is the condition, and that will end up in a smoother landing if you have a crosswind from the left. Now, just to give you a reference for this information of this mechanical linkage between the ground spoiler and the right main landing gear strut, you'll find that in the FCOM system descriptions and the flight controls. And when you go to the speed brakes section, if you go to the ground operation, then you'll find that information mentioned about the linkage between the ground spoiler or the ground spoilers and the right main landing gear strut. I'm mentioning that because I think a month or 2 months ago, I was talking to a Boeing 737 pilot, and they were talking about the landing was firm, although they were just doing an excellent job on the approach. And they were kind of beating themselves up because of how firm the landing was. And then when I described this portion of the system description, where there is, like I asked, was the crosswind coming from the right or the left? And they said, that pilot said it was from the right. And then I said, okay, so do you know that the ground spoilers deploy with the right main landing gear strut? And they did not know that. So next time, if you are landing with a crosswind coming from the right and you end up with a firm landing, don't beat yourself up. If you land with a crosswind from the left and you end up with a firm landing, then maybe you need to do more analysis just to know why did that happen. So with that said, as always, I hope that this would be of some benefit to you. And thank you for watching. And this is Abdul Mati Asiri, as always, wishing you a safe flying and smooth landing. Thank you for watching.